Hey writers, welcome back to Writers Workshop. Today we are going to learn that writers return to their work and they add more to their writing. So looking at our anchor chart, we've learned that we look and think. We think in our minds first about what our item looks like so that we can draw it on our paper, which is the second step of we draw our work on our paper. We draw it out. We also then, once we have drawn our item on our paper, we then have to write. We write the words, what sounds we hear, the different parts of our item. And today, our friend Marie is going to come back and she's going to tell us more about this one right here. And I'm going to show you. That one says, add more. You are going to add more to your writing. And our friend Marie is going to teach us again how. So, what you're going to need for Writers Workshop today is you're going to need some of the show and tell writing that you already worked on, either Monday or Tuesday, or both, probably both if you have them. You're going to pull them out, and you're going to have a pencil ready. So after the video with Marie, you're going to add more to your show and tell book. Because remember, friends, even though you think you're done, when you're done, you've just begun. You can always go back and add more to it. So let's go ahead and see what Marie has to say on how to add more to our writing.
I've got something to tell you. Super important, so lean in. Sometimes when you're writing and you've finished drawing a beautiful picture, something happens to you. It's almost like a monster takes over your body. A scribble monster. And instead of adding more to your picture, you scribble all over it. My gosh, yeah, that sometimes happens to me too. So today, what I want to teach you, instead of letting the scribble monster take over, what you can do is add more to your writing. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today, is how to add more to your writing. Let me show you what I mean. Here's my piece on that I drew to show about my globe, right? So, okay, I want to go back and I want to add more. Okay, so what do I do? Uh-oh, I can feel the scribble monster! I want to scribble just all over it! No, stop. I'm not going to scribble. I'm going to try to think about what I could add. Oh, I could add what it does. Like what my globe does. Like let me look at it and think about like what does it do? Let's see, like, oh, it spins. My globe spins around. And it's a lamp, right? You can like plug it in. So I could add that in too. And okay, so I could add what it does. Let me do that. So what it does, so I'm going to draw an arrow like this to show that it spins. And I'm going to write the word spin, spins. And then it lights up like it's a lamp. So I'm going to add the plug. So there's the plug. And I'm going to add light, and then plug. So, oh yeah, did you see what I did? Instead of letting the scribble monster take over, I added more by thinking about what it does. I want to really work hard. I think I could add even more to this. I could add where it usually is, where it is. It usually is up on top of my bookshelf. So I could add that right here. So I'm going to show that it's on my bookshelf. And I wrote the word bottom here. I'm just going to cross it out and write it again. Bottom. And now I'm going to add my bookshelf. So there's the top of it, and there's all my books. And now I could write book, elf. Yeah, look at that. So I added what it does, and I added where it is. And I didn't let that scribble monster get me. Let me show you one more. Here we go. I drew this one of my friend Rashid. Yeah, so I wanted to show and tell about Rashid. He's a lion, and he has a mane and a nose and a mouth. So what does Rashid do? He roars. I could add what he does. He roars. So I'm going to add a little speech bubble and write roar in it. And where is Rashid? I think Rashid is in the jungle. Yeah, he's in the jungle. So I'm going to draw lots of trees around him to show where he is, that he is in the jungle. Yeah, because he's king of the jungle. There's all the trees. Okay. So did you see what I did? Did you see I went back to 2 of my pieces and I added what they do. Like he yells, roar, and where they are, right in the jungle. I bet you could do that today. You could start a new piece, and after you finish drawing it and adding your labels, writing, you could go back and add more. And don't let the scribble monster get you. Remember to do it to more than one, right? So go back to more than one piece that you think you've already done and add more. I can't wait to see what you show and tell about and how you add what they do and where it is. Hi, writers. I've got something to tell you.